Hey there, welcome back to the last installment. We're doing stamping layers using the Naturally Beautiful stamp set. This is our fourth card that we are making with this amazing stamp set. And I really want to get you guys to use your stamp set more than once, right? So for this, we're going to be using the lemon slice, the big lemon, and the Stay Positive sentiment. I have 3 pieces of cardstock, 2 that I've actually cut with a die, but if you don't have dies to give it that little etched look, don't worry about it. Just cut them into the different sizes as you can see, and it's gonna make it look really cool and you're gonna get some dimension. We're gonna begin with a yellow ink, and this is a Tiara from Catherine Pooler, but you can use whatever you like. We're gonna begin by stamping that large lemon. And I decided that, you know what, instead of stamping one layer, then coming back, I'm going to stamp all my layers together. What this is going to do is going to create the card super fast, and you're only having to clean that stamp set once because you're using the same color and the same stamp on all those pieces of paper. So I'm going to speed it up here quite quickly. And as you can see, I'm going to move on to the little slice wedge, the little lemon wedge, making it a lime and stamping it in a green lime color. So again, this makes it super easy to stamp backgrounds and not having to clean your stamp set over and over. And I made sure that I cleaned it really good because I was moving back down to that yellow. And on a quick note, as you can see, it's kind of difficult to see that yellow on the yellow cardstock, but you can still see it once you receive the card. And it makes it look very custom, and it all matches and it goes really, really nice. Last but not least, I'm going to stamp that Stay Positive with black ink. I considered doing some heat embossing just to get it to pop, but I was like, you know what? Let's keep it simple just by stamping. So I have my yellow cardstock ready to go. I have put some flat adhesive using my Tombow, and then I'm going to mat it over that stamp pad. So as you can see, you don't actually have to stamp the whole panel of your card. As long as you stamp over the edges, that's going to be available, but it's kind of fun anyways, and it wasn't any more time consuming. Then using foam adhesive, we're going to place that white piece of paper to really get it to pop, and then we are going to place our beautiful little lemon wedge onto the top of the card panel. And it's really nice, it looks very coordinated, but I really wanted to add a pop of color. So I'm going to bring in some turquoise Nuvo drops. I'm going to add just a little couple drops here and there to embellish the card. And I was like, you know what? I need some glitter. So grabbing some Nuvo Drops glitter, we are going to create little lemon squirts on top of that lemon. And they don't specifically have to be yellow or lime green. Again, I'm going to keep with this turquoise motif here and stamping it. And I never thought that turquoise, would go with lemon and lime type of colors, but that's okay. So you can see I kind of did some of this Nuvo on a separate piece of cardstock because I have found that if I haven't used a specific color, it kind of squirts out and then it makes a mess on my card. So that's just a little tip when you're using some Nuvo drops or any type of gel to really kind of do your first drops on a separate so you don't ruin your card. And guys, that does it for me. I hope you've enjoyed this series using that Naturally Beautiful stamp set. I certainly have, and it really gives us all these different possibilities and inspiration using that one stamp set. All products are available on the Unity Stamp Company, but I will link them down below, and go hop on to the Unity Stamp Company every Tuesday to see more inspiration. So be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to get notifications about new videos, and then click on that recommended video if you want to see some more. Thanks so much. Have an amazing day.